Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this video and tutorial 3 top ways to make money online using video sharing platforms. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to, let's say, a computer, a mobile phone, a tablet, any device that can allow you to access these social media websites, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Dailymotion. We will get into all of these video sharing platforms. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's open up these 3 video sharing websites. So the first one is YouTube Studio. Once you have created an account, signed in, uploaded videos, become eligible for the YouTube Partnership Program with 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for the last year or so, you are then eligible to start earning money on your videos. And so the amount of videos you upload, this will then depend on the RPM and the CPM and the niche that you have chosen. You will make more money depending on what you say in the videos. So that's number 1. YouTube, to make money, become a partner, upload the videos, meet the criteria, you can start earning the money. Video sharing platform number 2, Dailymotion. Create an account, become a partner, go to Partner HQ. Make sure that you have uploaded videos. You are looking at the analytics of your channel, where the views are coming from. Make sure that you have signed up to become a partner with Dailymotion, connected a PayPal account, connected a website to your channel. After that, you will be eligible to earn money with the ads that are played on your video. So that's number 2. Let's now go to Facebook Creator Studio. And so this is another video sharing platform that has been incorporated into Facebook. Before, let's just say 10 years ago or whenever, at the time, Facebook was only a social media website, but now they have incorporated videos onto their platform, so you can upload and migrate all your catalog from different video sharing websites to this, and you will be eligible to earn money via their monetization policy. I think it's like 10,000 followers that you require, and you need to have 600,000 minutes of watch hours across the last 30 or 60 days, or whatever it is, or was at the time when they did create the monetization partner policy. So 3 websites that will allow you to earn money from the ads that are generated on the video. So that's YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.